guys, SD here, and what is up? And I'm bringing you a video of sleeping dogs, but I don't know where's my motorbike. Where is my motorbike? No, seriously, where is it? Ah, wow. Anyway, I don't know. I don't know where it's gone. Ooh, I'll tell you what I could do. I could do this. I could just, like, kill you. And look. Yeah. Guys, this is a really good idea. Look. Look, I could just keep running them over. Look. Right. Get out. Open the box. Open the box. There we go. Now I've got a whole load of money. Now I gotta get out of here because this is private property apparently. Right. So, yeah. Guy. Jeez, how many people on motorbikes? Gosh. Right. Get hey. Whoa. Gosh. Dangerous game. Here he comes. Here we coming round. Oh my gosh. He'll be coming round the mountains when he comes. Oh God! I went flying. Right. See you later. No! Get back here. You're under arrest. I repeat, you're under arrest. Come back here. Come back. Huh! I want your car. Get back here. Oh my God, I can't believe he's still alive in it. Is he angry? Go away. Ah! Quickly, get in the car. Wait. Oh, I don't want that. Stupid. Alright, so. Oh my goodness gracious pancakes. I died. Okay, I died. Right. Anyway, guys. Oh, what? I lose money for dying. Are you serious? What kind of game is this? Anyway. Oh, you're kidding me. Anyway, I've got to lose the cops now. Come on, run like the wind. Run like the wind. Hey, man, get off your motorcycle. Move. Bye. Ow. Quickly. Oh my goodness me. What a close call. Oh my God, guys. Oh my God. That was so close to dying. Oh! Goodness! Yes, I do! You're not helping! Gosh! They're trying to shoot me and everything, guys! Help! Somebody help me! Help me! Oh my God, move! What are you doing? Move! Ah! Doobly-doo-doo. Doobly-doo-doo. I'm not running. Go. Keep running. My goodness. Be careful. You're gonna kill somebody. If you're not careful. Goodness me. Great. Am I stuck up here? Jack, jump! Oh, goodness. Run, 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 run. Oh god. Oh gosh. Oh my god, what happened? Oh guys. So guys, hope you like this video and see you guys later. Peace out, beautiful, beautiful people. Peace, 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 peace out, peace out, peace out. Peace out, subscribe, bye.